Hello everyone, let us solve this problem right away. We have 256 and we are looking for the 2x root, which will be equal to 2x. Now if you're going to solve this, it means that we should find the value of x, right? But then understand that this is the same thing as 256 to the power of 1 over 2x. This is according to one of the laws of indices, and this will be equal to 2x. Okay, now the next thing we are going to do is to multiply the power here by 2x. So doing that means that we should do the same on the right hand side as well, right? So we're going to have 256 to the power of 1 over 2x multiplied by 2x. Then on the right hand side we have 2x to the power of 2x. So that 2x will cancel itself from here. And now we will have 256 to be equal to 2x to the power of 2x. Okay, so now what does this mean? This is very simple. And if you look at this very well again, this is the same thing as okay, remember that this 256 is the same thing as 2 to the power of 8, and that will be equal to 2x to the power of 2x. Now we are having, okay, let me put this in brackets so that we can understand better. Now we have the same number to the same base, right? Now let's make sure we have the same number to the same base here on the left, meaning we can have 2 to the power of 2 times 4, right? Because 8 is 2 times 4, and that will be 2x to the power of 2x. Now the next thing we will do is to multiply the to raise 2 to the power of 2, and that will give us 4, then to the power of 4, which is now equal to 2x to the power of 2x. From here, the next thing we do is to compare. Okay, so we're going to compare, and in this case we compare the base and we compare the powers. Now if we're going to pick the bases, it means that 4 will be equal to 2x, and then if you pick the powers, then you also have 4 to be equal to 2x. They are the same, right? So from here we can simply get the value of our x, because we need to divide this by 2 and divide this by 2. This cancels this, and now we have x to be equal to 4 divided by 2, and that is 2. Okay, so this means that our x is equal to 2. But then let's go back to the original equation and check, because we might not be correct, right? Okay, so this is the original equation. Now I have to put in the value of x now, meaning I'm going to have okay, we have 256 in here, and here we have 2 multiplied by 2, because x is 2, right? Now the question is, will this be equal to 2 times 2, because x is equally 2. Okay, now 2 times 2 there will give us 4, so that means that we are looking for the fourth root. We are looking for the fourth root of 256. Now will this be equal to 2 times 2, which is 4? Okay, now let's continue. If you continue with this, then the fourth root of 256, let's go. We have 4 in here. 4 times 4 times 4. Let's multiply this and see. 4 times 4 is 16. 16 times 4 is 64. Now 64 times 4 again, that will give us 256. Now, will this be equal to 4? And the answer is yes, because this will be equal to 4. Because we are going to have 4 to the power of 4. We have 4 in 4 places, right? And then because of the fourth root, this will be raised to the power of 1 over 4, right? So that this can cancel this, and the answer will now be equal to 4. And what does this mean? It means that the left hand side and the right hand side are equal, and that x is actually equal to 2. Thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate this.